Hello guys, welcome to Reviews Maniac. Today we have the Philips portable speaker, USB speaker. It's a stereo sound USB based speaker. As you can see, it works on both Mac as well as Windows PCs. As you can also notice, this you can clamp onto the top of your laptop or the sides bars. This one is priced at 2,999, which is 3,000. Now let's unbox this for you. So here we have the information guide. Here is a quick guide, startup guide on how to use this. And here we have the speaker. Here is a speaker. So as you can see, this is just like a clipboard. You have a clamp where you can clamp it onto the side or the top of your laptop. The front, you can note, I don't know if you can see, there are two speakers, one on the left, one on the right. Here there are two ports. This is the 3.5mm jack. This is not gold plated, it is just a silver color, and this is the USB port, which is basically used for power. I'll get back with the sound review of this. Please stay tuned to Reviews Maniac.